In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify header. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update your announcement bar, tweak your header layout, and add your logo so your storefront looks polished and on brand. First, open your Shopify store so you're looking at your main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select Online Store. This takes you to the area where your themes live, and it's the gateway to all your storefront design controls. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which is a visual workspace where you can make changes and instantly see how they affect your storefront. Start with the announcement bar. This is the slim strip at the very top of your site, perfect for quick updates like promos, shipping notes, or seasonal messages. Click Announcement Bar, then place your cursor in the message field. As an example, type 20% sale. Keep your wording short, clear, and action-oriented, so it's easy to read at a glance. If your theme offers styling options in this section, choose colors and typography that stand out without clashing with your brand. A high contrast background and simple language usually work best. Now move to your header. Click Header to open its settings. The header is your visitor's anchor. It typically includes your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes a search icon or cart. Here, you can change the layout. Depending on your theme, you might see options to align the logo to the left, center it, or position the menu around it. Pick the layout that keeps your navigation obvious and your branding prominent. Minimal, balanced layouts often improve readability and reduce clutter. This is also where you can add your logo. Upload a clean, high-quality image, ideally a transparent PNG, so it looks sharp on both desktop and mobile. If there's a size or width slider, adjust it so the logo is visible, but not overpowering. A good rule of thumb is to keep the header height compact enough that your main content remains above the fold. Explore any additional header options available in your theme, such as enabling a sticky header that stays visible when you scroll, showing or hiding the search icon, or adjusting spacing. Small refinements here can make navigation feel effortless. When everything looks right in the preview, take a moment to scan your store's homepage and a product page to confirm consistency. That's it. Your announcement bar is updated, your header layout is tuned, and your logo is in place, clean, clear, and ready for shoppers.